Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. This is a very unique unit. If you've been looking around at trailers, you notice there's probably 5 floor plans that everybody's making, and then you got some of your different ones. This is pretty unique here. Now this is a Jayco White Hawk. So it's Jayco's high-end series. Still very lightweight for something as well insulated as this is with the thicker sidewalls. You got a nice big front window up front. Now that's not an opening window, you don't have to worry about it leaking ever. It is well sealed in here and it doesn't open, but it's a big giant skylight basically in the front of the coach. So it looks pretty sharp and it lets a lot of light in from the inside. You have power stabilizer jacks on this unit, so it's you don't have to crank anything up in the front or in the back. This is a huge power awning if you look here. It goes almost the entire length of the trailer. This is a Jayco White Hawk 25 FK for front kitchen. So it's not a real long unit. It's also not that heavy. It's only about 6,100 pounds. So that's not too bad for something this size. Then you get your outdoor kitchen back here. You got a sink with hot and cold water, and you actually have a basin, a drain in here, so you don't have to actually dump it out like some of them have. A couple burners out here as well, and a mini fridge. So you can kind of barbecue everything up here so you don't stink up your trailer. Made in the US Goodyear tires on all Jayco products. So that's a little better tire than most anybody else is using. So when you step in here, they position the kitchen up in the front. So right up here with that big window and a ton of counter space. This is a beautiful kitchen. Bigger fridge, that's about an 8 cubic foot fridge instead of a 6. And then if you want to block this skylight out there, you can. There's a big skylight up here as well as a ton of windows. Now they use the frameless windows in this system as well, so they're very, very well insulated and they can sit in the sun, and you can just tell by being in this trailer today it's quite a bit cooler than the other ones we've been in. So you have a nice U-shaped dinette, and this table breaks down as well, so you can use it as an extra bed, but you can also take it outside. It also comes with an additional table there as well that you can also use for outdoor. You have storage underneath these, and they come with little bins that you can slide in and out so you can get to the stuff a little bit easier. You have your entertainment system in this corner here. This is a nice big TV that pulls out and swivels, about a 40-inch, DVD, Bluetooth, all the good stuff there. Then as you walk down your hallway, nice bathroom. You actually have some counter space around the sink. Big medicine cabinet, so there's good storage in here. That's a nice strong porcelain toilet, not a plastic toilet. When you step into the bedroom, they turn the bed sideways, which is kind of unique. So you got a whole walk around queen bed going this way. Big storage on both sides, USB ports. There's a ton of windows in here as well. There's 3 separate windows in this little room with a big door that slides and closes it off from the rest of the area. This is a pretty different setup than most of the other stuff that's out there, especially when you're looking at around the 25-foot range. These have arch ceilings in them, so when you walk through them it feels a little bit bigger, but you do have quite a bit more headroom in the center. The heat and the AC is all ducted back into this room as well. You got 2-inch thick sidewalls. This is what you would call a 4-season coach, because none of your stuff underneath with your piping and anything is ever exposed in the down below. It's all tucked into the underbelly. So usually you got your tanks in the underbelly that's heated, but there's sometimes a lot of pipes that are exposed that hang down below the underbelly. Everything is tucked in underneath on this one. I'll show you a few more things on the outside. When you get to the back, you got your outdoor shower. You got your black tank flush, so after you drain out your waste tanks, you can pump fresh water through all your tanks in your line and flush all that stuff out of there. A full-size spare, another made in the US Goodyear tire. Here you have a window that goes out the back, and backup camera prep. If you ever want to add a camera, it's pretty easy to do and not very expensive. You also have a full walk-on roof, so you have a ladder, you have a way to get up there. Your dump station's in a nice easy spot, not in the way of the slide at all. Cable satellite hookups are right where it's convenient. Now you get a little bit of additional outside storage. Now this is the back side of your dinette here, so you can get into it from the outside as well. All the compartment doors on this are key-to-like now, so they're all the same key that works with your door, works with all your compartments, so you don't have to cycle through keys all the time. You got a big pass-through up front that goes all the way across from both sides. You got the 2 bigger propane bottles I ordered this one with, which will come with a cover. You also have a power tongue jack. We include 2 brand new batteries, a whole bunch of other stuff, country music festival, you name it. You know, you find one that works for you, we'll find out a way to make a deal, and we give you a ton of extra stuff there. 2-year warranty makes a difference too, so it's twice as long as everybody else. There's a whole bunch more stuff on this I'd like to show you. Give me a call when you get a chance. My number is 541-525 888-888-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis, and I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.